Hi, it's Alien. Today let's talk about the golf cart battery charger. When your golf cart battery charger stops working, you will need to determine why. It's also important to know because it's not always the battery charger that is bad. There are a lot of problems that can cause your battery charger to stop working. Firstly, check the charge and wire. Secondly, check the conductor wires between batteries. They're all connected together to create power supply for the golf cart. If one is bad or lost connection, it will cause everything to stop working. After these basic researches have been done, you can assume the worst. So now you need to picking a new charger. So how to choose the right golf cart charger for your golf cart? Step 1. Define your golf cart's voltage. The charger you buy needs to match the voltage of your golf cart to avoid unnecessary damage to batteries. For example, a 36-volt battery requires a 36-volt charger. Step 2. Identify the correct plug type for your carts. Different brands and models of golf carts have different plug heads on them because there are lots of plug types in the market for various cart models. You need to choose the golf cart charger with plug that will fit on your battery charging receptacle. Okay, thanks for your time. Bye.